Islam is a religion that has over 1.8 billion followers worldwide, making it the second largest religion in the world. However, what many people don't realize is that the Muslim community is far from united. The Muslim community is divided into sects, such as the Sunni Hanbalis, Shafi'is, Hanafis, Malikis, and so on. Often, conflicts arise among them, or they even consider each other as not being true Muslims. Then there are the Shias, who are also divided among themselves and see each other as not being true Muslims. Moreover, the Sunnis and Shias have been in much larger conflicts and wars with each other, such as the Iraq War or the war in Yemen. We always see a continuously increasing number of Muslims, many of whom are converting to Islam, but are confused by this situation. This is something that makes the enemies of Islam much stronger and the Muslims weaker. If we don't finally see ourselves as one Ummah and set aside our differences, nothing will ever change. Muslims are their own worst enemies. Let us pray to Allah to guide us and help us see ourselves as a united community, as Allah requires of His people. Allah detests that we Muslims form sects and divide ourselves. May Allah protect us all. Only when we stand united can we truly show the world the beauty of Islam. Are you feeling spiritually disconnected and seeking a way to strengthen your faith? Then consider embarking on the blessed journey of Ummah. This is your opportunity to cleanse your soul, seek forgiveness, and renew your commitment to Allah. And the best part? You can now get a free step-by-step guide for Ummah below to make your journey smoother and more fulfilling. So, don't hesitate to take advantage of this life-changing opportunity. Subscribe to our channel, hit that thumbs up button, and let us guide you through the beautiful journey of Ummah. May Allah accept your efforts and bless you abundantly.